Hello, this is Jace. I'm sorry I haven't been on lately. I've just been busy. Here's a review of a 1879-76 bicycle wrench sold by Hand Tool Rescue. He has a website on YouTube. Also, he sells this on his website. It has a this thing here has a gesture. It comes with two models: steel, or brass. This is made of D1 tool steel. Also has a left-hand model, a right-hand version, a left-hand version. This is the right-hand version. You, I would recommend this for your bug-out bag or your to carry it along with your EDC bag. It's a nice wrench. I've worked with this wrench when I got it. I mean, it's a nice wrench. It's a better quality tool than some of the wrenches I buy at the store. So I highly recommend this. It's easier to do turn turn bolts this way or this way. I have enough, so I would recommend it. That's Here's the back of it. It's also individually numbered too. I will leave down in the description. I will leave his. You want me to leave his channel information? I'm gonna leave his channel information and also his website so you can buy this too if you want to. Description below. Once you buy this thing right here be tight. You'll have to work with it to get the loose up a little bit. And he mills these out by hand. So I ordered mine in December, and it got here in February because it's a good quality and it's worth the wait. This is worth the wait. I mean, if you buy this, I mean, so I'm not gonna tell you the price because I don't know the shipping rate or international shipping rate for your country is because mine he shipped this from Canada to United States, so it's 50 something altogether. I don't know because I'm not gonna quote a price for this because I don't know. I don't know where all you live, so So it'd be not so you have all of a good day, a good night, wherever in the world you are. Bye.